Alright guys, it's Bearded Yakking again with another video. We're going to talk a little bit about this this ratchet. A lot of you guys that are going to see this already saw it. But we're going to do a review real quick on this guy right here. So yesterday, I got this sucker in the mail from a fellow subscriber. Hooked me up pretty good with this. I want to thank Cat Loco for this again. And this here is a Steelman Pro Cobra. I guess this here is the model number 78625. I'm guessing that's a model number. And this thing is nice. This here is 16 inch ratchet, half-inch drive. This is one nice tool here. This sucker weighs about 3 pounds. And this thing's real nice. Pop this sucker down. Now you got a flex head. Know what I mean? Everybody likes a flex head. Keep locking. Yeah. Look at that. Flex it. You can take this one little click up. That locks it in place. Click it down, put it back straight, then all the way up. Now it becomes a breaker bar. Or just stationary. I tested this out today. It worked real well. It's a 72 tooth. This thing's really nice and smooth. Like most ratchets you get, a lot of times this will have a lot of play in it. In this thing's case, it doesn't really have. It's got just a tad bit of play, but nothing to really get all OCD about. You know what I mean? Like it's like barely moves a hair, but barely moves. So Steelman Pro Cobra 16 inch half-inch drive ratchet, flex head ratchet / or breaker bar. Do a lot with this. Don't recommend tight spaces, but you know, all you guys in the automotive field, I recommend this professionally. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, got a lot of fingerprints on it today. Used it. Put a little test into it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we're gonna put that away. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh yeah, by the way, Hard Knocks. If you're watching this, if you watch this video, this guy had its first kill last night. Big old moth. You always got to test the kill rate with it. You know what I mean? Man, this thing is heavy. Whopping 3 pounds. You can knock somebody out with this. Fuck somebody up. Well, the phone is on a different thing now. See, this right here is what I used to, for all my live streams, this is what I was hooking my phone to. This thing is actually my phone. My phone usually sits right here when I'm out on a kayak. You know what I mean? Yeah, I got some fishing lures right here. My big boys, my big ones. But yeah, we'll put this back over here. So I got a flexible tripod. That's what the phone's on now. But, and I got the tripod for $5. And so Skil. Everybody knows Skil makes saws and shit for carpentry and shit. And you might see some pliers and stuff made by them. But this was on sale on Amazon for $5. And I didn't really look at it. I just cut the tape a minute ago. But this is on sale for $5 on Amazon. It's a Skil Secure Grip Wrench Set. So you get four wrenches as shown on the box. You can use it on 6-point, 12-point, square, spline, Torx, and rounded bolt heads. It's adjustable inserts, grip rounded off bolts that cannot be gripped by traditional wrenches or sockets. Basically, it's a self-tightening wrench. Let's open it up. Whoa, look at that. Nice slick boxes, you know what I mean? Not bad for $5, you know? This one here is the little guy. What we're going to do, we're going to get this big ass box out of here. Take all these out. Took the box off to the side. We're going to check these out. These actually seem pretty cool. Little guy. He's alright, you know. Not the best quality build, but I'm sure it'll work for something. Not bad for $5. You clearly see that the actual box they come in was said China on it. But I got a lot of Skil tools. Well, not that much anymore. I still got my circular saw. You know what I mean? So that there. Get all four of them out. Got a lot of sizes on here. So yeah, these here, 4 wrenches. Not bad. You know what I mean? So this one here, on this side you go from 15/16 to 1 inch, or 23, 24, or 25 millimeter. Then this side here, 13/16 to 7/8, you get 20, 21, 22 millimeter. Then, you know, so on, 3/4, 11/16 and 3/4 on this side, you know, 18 and 19 millimeter, 5/8 on this side, and you can also use it for 16 and 17 millimeter. You have 1/2 inch on the left side. You're going to also use that for 12 and 13 millimeter. Then you got 9/16 on this side, the right side. You can use that for 14 and 15 millimeter. Then you guys know 3/8, 10 millimeter, 7/16, 11 millimeter. Well, with the big ones, as you can see, when you turn it, you see them teeth right there? They supposedly grip the bolt, or whatever you're going to use it for. So basically, when you're going to turn it, when you go like that, you know what I mean? So you just turn that and it locks it on, you know? But you got to flip it. If you're going to lock it this way, you're going to take it and you're going to turn it this way, you know what I mean? Or no? Hold on. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Things are weird. Something new, something slick, something sleek. design, you know. Now quality, it's not the best quality, you know, it's China made, but it will get the job done if you need it in a tight situation, you know what I mean? So look at the profile on it. Now, that's about, I'd say, a 1/4 inch, but that's it. Covered the Steelman Pro, covered these 4 guys here, and we're going to end the video. I'm going to smoke another cigarette and head to bed. I'm not going live tonight. I'm taking a break from live tonight. Alright, so all you watching, remember one thing: like, comment, subscribe if you ain't a subscriber. If you like my video, tell me. If not, still comment below. Well, this is Bearded Yakking with an awesome ratchet and some $5 wrench set. You know what I mean? And it's Wednesday night. I'm going to mention it again. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And that's it. It's Bearded Yakking on a Wednesday night. And we are out.